slices 2 to 3. Mint leaves as per choice. Salt ¼ teaspoon. Soaked basil seeds 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Black salt ¼ teaspoon. Red syrup Rooh Afza 5 tablespoons. Ice cubes as required. Water as per your choice. Mix well and serve immediately. Refreshing mint Rooh Afza drink is ready.